Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Let's begin with today's tutorial. To open a jp2 file in a Google Chrome, you will need to convert the file or use a third-party extension as Chrome does not natively support jp2 files. Here are some solutions. Option 1 is convert the jp2 file to a supported format. Since Chrome supports JPEG, PNG format, use an online converter. Visit a free online converter like Convertio or Cloud Converter. There you can see the option of upload. Tap on it and choose the select the file which you want to convert to JPEG or PNG. Download the converted file and open it in Chrome by dragging the file into the new Chrome tab. Option 2 is use Chrome extension. There are Chrome extensions that allow you to open and view JP2 files directly in your browser. Firstly, install a JP2 file in a JP2 viewer extension. Go to Chrome website, Chrome Web Store. Search for image viewer extension that support JP2 file such as online image viewer or free file viewer. Click on add to Chrome to install the extension and then click on add to extension. Then after installing the extension, follow its instruction for opening a JP2 file. This may involve dragging the file into Chrome or using a file input dialog provided by the extension. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such